I have an Amazon listing back in November 2023 and applied for a patent in 2024. Question is, if I have a provisional patent application, my patent will protect me starting from the provisional patent application date. I didn't have a provisional patent, but I directly applied for a non-provisional patent. Let's say my patent application is approved, and let's say there is one product that infringes my patent rights. Okay, they listed it before, looks like. They're listing on a date between 26 November and 24 October. Okay, so they listed for about a year between 23 and 24. In this case, can my patent stop them legally from infringing competitors? Well, okay, a couple things to mention here. I want to make sure I clarify is that by virtue of filing a patent application, a provisional or even a non-provisional application, you don't have any rights. Okay, you have no ability to enforce your patents against others. However, you can send letters. You can send stern notice letters putting potential infringers on notice that, hey, you think this is infringing, articulating that, hey, when this does go to issue and you're still infringing, you're now a willful infringer, and you can threaten treble damages in litigation. I'll also say that Amazon, if you've got, the right patent grant, once it gets granted, Amazon will go to bat for you. And I don't have personal experience with this, but I know, Matt, you do on the trademark side. I assume it will work on the patent side as well. You assert, hey, I'm the registered owner. I've got this patent granted. Now they're going to have their own in-house, basically, tribunal is what they've set up. And so they're going to have, hopefully, attorneys, maybe they're non-attorneys, review your allegations, review the patent that's issued, maybe even look at the claims and assess on their own. They come up with their own determination about whether the article might be infringing or not. If they think it might be or it's close enough, they'll take down that other listing. And I think you're also asking about, basically, let's say it get issues now, previous or prior listing, right? So sales that were made while it was pending. That is a situation I may not have. I don't know the answer on that. Whether you go to claim damages while it was still pending. I think there could be in federal court an avenue, so long as you put them on notice that you have pending right in 2024.
Very reasonable to me that you have a pending application, it's pending, you've given notice, right? Therefore, they should be responsible for their actions to me on that infringement.
Yeah.
Assuming the patent registers.